Hey, Fit to Fab fam, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something essential for our overall fitness journey, a full body stretching routine. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness path, incorporating stretching into your routine is key for flexibility, injury prevention, and muscle recovery. Before we jump into the stretches, make sure you're in a comfortable space with a yoga mat or a soft surface. And as always, listen to your body and only stretch to where it feels comfortable. We'll start with some gentle neck stretches, loosening up those muscles that often hold tension from our daily activities. Remember to breathe deeply and relax into each stretch. Next, let's move on to some shoulder rolls and arm stretches, opening up the upper body and preparing for more dynamic movements. Now on to the lower body. We'll work on those tight hamstrings, quads, and calves with a mix of static and dynamic stretches. And don't forget about the core. We'll finish up with some gentle twists and stretches to keep our core muscles supple and strong. Finally, let's take a moment to breathe deeply and relax into a full body stretch. Allow yourself to release any tension and sink deeper into each stretch. And there you have it, our Fit to Fab full body stretching routine. Remember to make stretching a regular part of your fitness routine to feel your best inside and out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fitness tips and routines. Until next time, stay fabulous.